Hello students, good morning to all. How are you all? Hope that all of you are fine and in good health. Students, this is Amit Tripathi, your maths teacher, and today I am going to teach you exercise 3.3. Let us take question number 1. What is that? In which quadrant or on which axis do each of the points lie? Verify by locating them in the Cartesian. First of all, we need to draw a Cartesian plane. Okay, and after that I will plot the given points, and by that I will tell on which quadrant or in which axis they lie. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is y axis, y dash, x axis, and this one is x. Okay, also let us mark the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is x axis. This is negative x axis, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Okay, again this is negative y axis. Okay, plot the points minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Okay. Now taking the first point, what are the coordinates? Minus 2 comma 4. On x axis we will go along negative x axis, that is minus 2. Here it is minus 2, and on y axis it is 4, that is this is one is 4, and the line that are coming from both the points, okay, that are perpendicular to both the points, and this will give the coordinates minus 2 comma 4. Okay, you can see the which quadrant it is. This one is first quadrant, this one is second, this one is third, and this one is fourth. So you can say that this lies in second quadrant. Okay, I have also verified the location. Now the B1 is 3 comma minus 1. On x axis I will go along x axis up to 3. This is 3 and comma minus 1. In y axis we will go up to minus 1. This is minus 1, and the perpendicular lines coming from both the points and meeting at this location. This is the point. Okay, this is the point. This will be known as 3 comma minus 1. Can you identify? Yeah, that's very easy. This lie in the fourth quadrant. So I will write as this lie in the fourth quadrant. Okay, now proceeding to the next one, minus 1 comma 0. Okay, here I may tell you that whenever y axis, y coordinate is 0, that point will lie in x axis. Like here, this point will lie on the y axis. Here y coordinate is 0, so the point will lie on the x axis. Here x is minus 1, so this is the coordinate minus 1 comma 0. Okay, so I can write it that it lies on the x axis or on x axis. Okay, now the D1 is 1 comma 2. Okay, on x axis I will go along distance 1. Okay, again comma 2, that is on y axis I will go up to 2. Okay, 2 units. Now the perpendicular lines coming from both the points and meeting at a point. This will give me the coordinates 1 comma 2. This is the first quadrant. It lies, this coordinate will lie in first quadrant. Okay, now the E1. Okay, I have to go up to minus 3 in x axis. On x axis this is a minus 3 point. Now I have to choose minus 5 along y axis. This is minus 5, and the perpendicular lines coming from both the points and intersecting at a point will give the coordinate which will be called as minus 3 comma minus 5. Okay, so I can easily see this is the third quadrant. This is the third quadrant. Okay. In this, we have completed question number 1. Let us see question number 2. Okay, in this question, what we have to do? We have to plot these coordinates. Okay, in Cartesian system using suitable measurements, suitable units. Now let us draw the Cartesian plane. Okay, here we are drawing the Cartesian plane, and after that I will show you how to plot these points. Okay, let us mark it out first. This is x dash axis, this is y, and this is y dash axis. Okay, mark the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, here each centimeter denotes the 1 unit. Okay, mark on this one also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, on in the y dash axis -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Okay, this needs to be done in the graph paper. Okay, I am demonstrating it you on the blackboard, whiteboard. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Okay, let us see the first one. That is -2, 0. Whenever y coordinate is 0, it will lie on the x axis. That is -2, 0. Y axis -2. So I will write as -2, 0. This is the first point I have plotted. Now second one, -1, 7. Okay, where is -1 on x axis? This is -1. Okay, now 7 on the y axis. 7 is where? If I plot a point, okay, it will be 7. Now the perpendicular lines from 7 and perpendicular lines from this 1 will meet at this point, and this will denote the point, that is -1, 7. Now taking the third coordinate, third point is 0, -1.25. Whenever x is 0, the point will lie on the y axis. It is -1.25. Okay, that is, it is greater than, it is less than -1. Okay, anything which is greater with minus sign is less. Like -2 is less than -1. Okay, now it is -1.25. It will lie between -1 and -2. Okay, and when you will see the graph paper, both these units 1 centimeter have 10 divisions. When what is the meaning of 1 division? 1 division means, 1 small division will mean 0.1. Okay, now for 0.25, how many small division do we need? We will need 2.5 small division. Okay, so it will lie how over here. Okay, that is 0, -1.25. Okay, we will need 2.5 small division to get 0, -1.25. Okay, now the fourth one, 1, 3. On x-axis we will need 1, and on y-axis we will need 3. The perpendicular line coming from both the points and meeting at a point will give the coordinate, that is 1, 3. Now the last one, that is 3, -1. Okay, on x-axis we need 3, and on y-axis we need 1. The perpendicular lines from both the points will give 3, -1. Now we have done up with this exercise. Now we will meet in the next videos. Till then, take care and goodbye.